In this video, let me show you how to increase team level and hero wars. You can increase your team level here in Hero Wars by completing campaign missions, fulfilling daily quests, and maximizing your energy usage. If you have extra energy, use it to replay levels. This helps increase your team XP. To confirm this, head to your profile. You see your current team XP and team level there, along with your max hero level. Team level determines how high your heroes can go, and it increases separately. To gain more XP and raise your team level, participate in campaign stages, complete daily quests, engage in missions, play events, take part in PvP, and join guild activities. You'll often find XP rewards in most areas of the game. As your team level increases, your max hero level will also go up, letting you strengthen your characters further. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.